The Prophet ﷺ says in Hadith in the Sahihain, in Al-Bukhari and Muslim, أَبْغَضُ الرِّجَالِ إِلَى اللَّهِ الْأَلَدُّ الْخَصْمِ. The person who Allah hates most is someone with this quality. A person who argues for the sake of arguing. A person who's always quarrelsome. No matter what happens, they have a response. They snap back at you. No matter what you put forth in front of them, they quickly resort to something in the name of logic, because to them, the important thing is that they walk out of that and they have the last word. Now, first and foremost, it relates to the revelation of truth and their inability to grasp anything of the truth. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَتُنذِرُ بِهِ قَوْمًا لُدًّا. Allah described the people that way. They always have an answer. They're quick to respond because they're really not trying to listen to you, Ya Rasulullah. They're really trying to dissect, because at the end of the day, their dissecting everything is a diversion, because they don't want to abide by anything that's going to be, in their minds, against their interests. You know, when someone says, let's go, I'm going to debate with this atheist. I'm going to be very honest with you sometimes. Some of you can bring someone, I got a non-Muslim friend I want you to talk to. You can tell when someone's arguing for the sake of arguing and someone's interested in the truth. If they're not interested in the truth, and they're listening to you not with the intent of considering what you have to say, but considering how they can reply to what you have to say, that person has another problem.